This is James with the Jay the Writer channel, and I want to share with you guys my latest writing, The Caged Bird. I want to fly freely and move around, but from this cage I can't get out. Things have just been the same for far too long. Confused because every move I make seems wrong. Yet I know that things cannot stay the same. I have to change the way that I play this game. I'm feeling just like a caged bird. I can speak freely, but often my words aren't heard. But life is going by, and I can no longer be this caged bird. I have to get out and learn how to fly. Like an eagle, I must learn to rise above this and fly high. Powerful words of wisdom I have heard. Now, I will get out of this cage and fly, because I can no longer be the caged bird. All right. Thank you for listening to this. I'm not sure, but I guess I was inspired to see that to write that by seeing all the birds leave for warmer weather this past December. Can't blame them. I'd leave for warmer weather if I could right now too, but we're just a few weeks away from spring, so there's that. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.